Welcome to Superb Story Time, a time where we become thought leaders. We listen to wonderful, beautiful stories and we draw values, life skills, life lessons from these wonderful stories. This story is of an island. On this island live many feelings like love, anger, sadness, loneliness, then richness, many other such kind of feelings. They lived on this island. And what happened was they heard that this island is going to sink. The water level is increasing and this island will sink very shortly. All the all the feelings started to prepare how to leave and depart from this particular island. Everybody started making their boats. Everybody except love. Love said, no, 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 I love the island a lot. I will not leave. And everybody said, no, this will not work out. You leave. But the love was so attached to the island, isn't it? And then what happened was finally the day came, the water table started to rise, water level started to increase, and one by one, everybody started to leave. And now love started understanding, oh, now I'll die. If I stick on to this island, I will be no more alive. So what should I do? And then it went and asked richness. Richness, can I come with you? Please, can you give me some place in your boat? Richness said, oh, my boat is filled with a lot of money, gold. I'm not having any place. I'm very, very sorry, love. And richness left. And love went and asked loneliness. Went and asked loneliness, asked sadness, that sadness, can I come along with you? And sadness said, no, I'm so lonely. I want to be alone. Please leave me alone. And please. And finally, even sadness also left. Then what happened was after that, uh, love asked richness, sadness, and then what is the other feeling? Yukta, stay sharp. Yes. Then love asked, who else? Love asked happiness. Happiness, can I come along with you? Happiness was so absorbed into joy and completely bliss. It did not even pay attention. Did not even pay attention. Love was feeling so low, feeling so disappointed, and was there 100%. This thing was there all alone, giving up now that it has no other because the water level is increasing. Then it heard a voice. The voice was, "You can come with me, friend. You can come with me, friend. I have a lot of space in my boat." Who said that? Which is the feeling who said that you can come along with me and I have a lot of space in this thing? And
Loneliness.
sorry?
Sadness.
Sadness. No, not sadness, my dear.
Coach, loneliness.
Loneliness is the one, no, which actually want to be alone, wants space.
He left from the island.
Sorry?
He left from the island.
Yeah.
Coach, what and all was there? Coach, anger.
Anger. Why will anger ask? Think about it. Why will anger ask? Yukta, quickly fight diving reflex, jump and go.
Coach, maybe he find somebody to like harm him.
Sorry?
Maybe anger could find someone to calm him.
Can you repeat that again, Rohan, please?
Coach, maybe anger could find somebody who could calm him.
Anger could find somebody to calm. Think a little bit more.
Coach, in the starting, what and all was there?
There are many feelings were there. The feelings which were there in the island are sadness, loneliness, anger, knowledge. Then all the island is filled with so many different feelings.
Coach,
Richness.
is it knowledge?
Why do you say knowledge?
Coach, we can say knowledge because like in real life we need love for knowledge to actually understand what we're learning.
We need love to understand the knowledge.
Yeah, we need to put in our heart.
Mm-hmm.
So
She, what do you think, Dhrutik? She can make a guess also. Dhrutik?
Coach, is it peacefulness?
Peacefulness. Okay, good.
Because maybe all the emotions which has been taken by happiness might be, I'm not sure coach, what emotion it is, but
Okay. Nice guess. She, you want to take a guess? No IDK, please. I can hear you without speaking also.
is it knowledge, coach?
Knowledge. The right answer is knowledge. Yeah. Yes. Sal is so happy. Yes. Yeah. The right answer is knowledge. Knowledge gives us the thought process to understand the importance of love. Knowledge is the one which gives you the wisdom to understand what is the importance of love. Wonderful. So learn, educate yourself, learn more and more. The more knowledgeable, more educated you are, you'll understand the importance of value, you understand the importance of value of love, and you'll become a better person. Wonderful. Great. Over to Yukta. Ready, Yukta? Sailesh and she gave wonderful answers, fabulous. Yukta, after the session, I want you to give me a call session.
Yes, coach.
Everybody, kindly sit in Vajrasana, Jnana Mudra.
Let's start with our short meditation.
Very nice. Sitting in Vajrasana. Sit still. Rohan, this is the time you should keep your eyes closed here. Eyes should be perfectly closed. And sitting straight in just 1 minute. Beautifully. Sitting still. Focusing on your breathing. Everybody start with alternate nasal breathing.
Alternate nasal breathing.
Left in, right out, right in, left out. 20 of them, Yukta. Everybody 20. This is also called as Nadi Shodhan.
Let's start with our breathing. 6 counts. Hum. 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 Let's start with energizer. Low speed, low energy to high speed, high energy, high intensity. Let's start.
Very nice, Rohan. She doing wonderful here.
Let's start with gratitude. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for being such an amazing person. Always so kind, always so caring. Thank you, sir, for always being focused on your goals, for always being focused on yourself. Thank you, sir, for always being kind, for always being compassionate. Thank you, sir, for always having love towards everyone, for always loving everyone and everything you do. Thank you, sir, for always having knowledge, for being wise, for always making wise choices, right decisions. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, 2+ of support, your mom and your dad for always being there for you. They've given you everything you need, whether it's food to eat, a shelter to live in, or clothes to wear. They've given you love and care throughout your life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank Mother Nature for giving you resources like food, water, oxygen. Without these resources, we wouldn't be alive today. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now let's thank the gurus, your teachers, your coaches. Thank them for always pushing you, for always being tough on you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank your family and your friends for always supporting you, for always being there whenever you needed them. Thank your friends, thank them for always being true friends, for always being true family members, always caring for you, always being there whenever you've needed them. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank God the Almighty for giving a soul with a purpose, a soul with a why, a soul with a mission, vision. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank the God the Almighty for giving everything in abundance, whether it's life, health, wealth, education, money, everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now visualize a bright white light coming right towards you. This bright white light goes to your head, goes down your face, your neck, your chest, your hands, your fingers, your fingertips. It goes down your stomach, your thighs, your knees, your calves, and your toes. Head to toe to head, fully blessed with white light. Now, visualize your goals, your purpose, your mission and vision. Visualize your long-term goals, your short-term goals, your goals for today, your goals for tomorrow. Start.
Visualize them in present tense as if you have already achieved. Visualize already you have achieved, then it goes to your subconscious mind. Dhrutik, imagine as if you're already there. Yukta, visualize the date. You have already fixed up your date. Visualize your goals in the present tense.
Now let go of your hands. Hands on your heart. Repeat after me. I'm amazing. I'm powerful.
I'm powerful.
I'm kind.
I'm kind.
I'm knowledgeable.
I'm knowledgeable.
I love everything I do.
I love everything I do.
I love everyone.
I love everyone.
I'm amazing.
I'm amazing.
I'm intelligent.
I'm intelligent. I'm
I'm lovable.
focused.
I'm focused.
I'm disciplined.
I'm disciplined.
I'm lovable.
I'm lovable.
I'm valuable.
I'm valuable.
I'm capable.
I'm capable.
I am a superb human.
I am superb human. Raindrop claps. 1,
Keeping your eyes closed.
2, 3, 4, 5. Whoosh. First one. Second one. Last one. Open your eyes, see this world's a better place. Very good.
Everybody live purposefully, live powerfully. You guys are superhumans. See you soon. Bye-bye. Love you all.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become #1 in studies and #1 in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.